Hello guys, welcome to my channel Happy and Simple Life. In my previous videos, I talked about minimalism, its benefit, 11 ways to live a happy minimalistic life, and also a video with some powerful motivational quotes. If you have not watched the video yet, go ahead and watch it now. The link is in the description box below. In this video, I'm going to talk about morning rituals or routines and 11 effective and easy steps for a happy and productive day. Most of us have the habit of hitting the snooze button a couple of times in the morning or leave the house a little late while munching a snack and checking our cell phone. From that moment, our entire day is rushed and we feel that we are trying to catch up. At the end of the day, we either feel stressed out or the day turns out to be less productive or even unproductive. A simple morning routine can make a big difference for the entire day. A peaceful and energizing morning routine can flush out your stress, make you feel organized, feel confident, and productive. A morning routine or ritual is a set of activities you do in the morning to kickstart your day. These activities are simple yet very effective. Let's see some of the benefits of following morning rituals. When you follow a morning routine regularly, your body feels relaxed and energized. When you feel energized, you tend to be more active and ultimately end up having a productive day. Feeling good physically can make you feel good psychologically also. Our mind gets easily overwhelmed or stressed when we are constantly running behind or rushing things. But if we follow a pattern daily, we can create a sense of peace and confidence in our day by helping us maintain a positive mental health, which helps in tackling stress when needed. Morning routine allow us to be in control of our schedules. We can plan our time, prioritize things, and increase our productivity. Emotions play a vital role in our relationship. When we get home completely stressed, you tend to take out the frustration on your loved ones, which will affect your relationship. A healthy and peaceful morning routine can make our relationship feel closer and more connected. Waking up calm, having a tea, meditating, and doing some exercise boost your confidence, a belief in your own abilities. Morning routines can give you a feeling of greater peace as we go through the day and have a productive day, which leads to good sleep. Now let's see some of the easy morning routines or rituals you can follow. First thing you can do is drink a glass of water. It helps you hydrate after a long gap of sleep. Also, water flushes out the toxin from the body and helps in proper functioning of the internal organs. The next step is gratitude. Always feel thankful. Think of everything you are grateful for in your life. First thing to be thankful for is waking up feeling good. This creates a positive mindset to start the day. Soak yourself in the morning sun by opening the windows, blinds, or curtains. The molecules present in your skin, which produces vitamin D, gets activated by the touch of sunlight. Vitamin D keeps your immune system and bones healthy. The next step is to make your bed after you get up. Many of us feel why we should do this as we are anyways going to unmake it at night, or we just think who is going to see it. But psychologically, it means that you have successfully accomplished your first task of the day. It improves your mood, encourages you to keep the rest of the room tidy, and also encourages you to do other tasks. The next task you can do is do some breathing exercises or meditation. You don't have to spend a lot of time. Sitting silently without any diversions or noise can improve your mood. Meditation causes the pituitary gland in the brain to secrete endorphins, which gives positive emotions. Breathing exercises helps to reduce your stress, anxiety, and depression and increases your energy levels. Next, you can do a 10 to 15 minutes yoga, exercise, or even a brisk walk. Just doing Surya Namaskar can be very beneficial to start your day. Surya Namaskar reduces insomnia, helps to detox your body, brings down blood sugar levels, and improves anxiety problems. A morning walk gives you your physical exercise for the day, helps prevent health problems, improves your mood, boosts your energy, and many more. You can even do a light exercise which you like. Add an element of affection to your morning routine by hugging, kissing, or cuddling your loved ones. It makes your relationship feel closer. You can even feed or play with your pet. Have a cup of hot tea. Don't drink your coffee or tea in a hurry. Enjoy it. Sit in a comfortable place or near a window or in a balcony and enjoy your tea along with nature. Prepare a healthy morning breakfast and eat. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism. Healthy breakfast leads to healthy life, better memory, and concentration. The next step you could do is a quick 10-minute cleanup. You can organize your table while leaving to work or arrange some clothes lying here and there. By doing this, when you come back home, you will have a positive vibe when you enter your house. Finally, one of the very important morning ritual is setting your intentions for the day. This can be done in a lot of ways. It is advisable that you plan your day in the previous night itself. You can write down your schedules and goal for the day and remind yourself the intention of the day by reading it out with enthusiasm in the morning. Alternatively, you can write in a journal, read positive affirmations, or visualize the day. Play the day in your mind. This helps to prioritize the things you need to do for the day. That's it, guys. These are some of the activities you can do in the morning to have a content, happy, and productive day. First, find the simple activities which boost your energy and mood, and then start the routine. Be consistent in practicing these morning rituals. One day it will become a habit. Remember, following a morning routine helps develop your personality. You are investing the time not only for the day but also for your life. Follow my channel Happy and Simple Life for more such exciting topics and also videos on interesting concepts made simpler. If you find this video informative and useful, take a moment to give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, family, and also people around you. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for notification on new videos. Head to the comment section and post what morning routine or ritual is making a change in your life. See you in the next video.